Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the phone and account so payments work reliably. First, open Settings and turn on NFC. Without NFC, tap payments cannot function. Next, sign into your Google account and make sure two-step verification is enabled because banks often require stronger authentication. Once done, locate your physical card or bank login details. You'll need them to add a card. This gets you past the basics and into the first actionable step. Open the Google Pay app and begin adding You add the card and complete verification so transactions clear. Tap payment methods, then add a card. Choose to scan with the camera or type numbers manually. After submitting details, your bank will ask to verify, expect SMS, email, or app approval. Follow those prompts exactly. Once verified, set this as your default contactless option if you prefer quick payments. Make sure to enable screen lock. Google Pay requires it for security. If your card fails, retry verification or try linking your bank directly. You finish by making a tap payment and knowing one key fix if it fails. To pay, wake and unlock the Pixel 9, then hold its back to the terminal's NFC zone until you hear a tone or feel a vibration. The screen will show success. If the wrong card appears, open Google Pay and switch the active card before tapping. Should a tap not register, toggle NFC, restart the phone, confirm your card is verified, and update the Google Pay app. This single troubleshooting flow solves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.